All right, I'm finishing up the video. We missed some parts. I'm gonna go over everything as far as under the hood again. And here we are. Right here, nut, the clamp back on here. Rubber garments go through the firewall. Make sure to put those on. We're on the vacuum pump now. Next, I put the dryer on right down here, 2 10mm up, and then the bracket that goes through. And it's on the bracket, goes to evacuate and recharge this thing. We're on the AC machine now, pulling it into a vacuum. We'll add 2 ounces of oil to the vehicle and charge it up, and this job's going to be done. Do-it-yourselfers, you know, we're regulated by EPA for evacuate, recharge, reclaim freon. So I show you on a machine because that's the way it has to be done. Keep everything legal. Thanks for watching. More to come. Getting back into videos. Hopefully they'll get better as we go. Subscribe. Tell your friends. Bye-bye.